Hello and happy welcome. I'm Donya and I'm so excited that you've chosen my songwriting journal. Thank you for giving yourself a creative space to consciously embrace your musical journey with your handpan. So what can you expect from my journal book for you? This book is not just about a notebook, it's your personal companion for capturing your musical ideas, progress and inspiration. It helps you to reflect your playing style without rigid rules, but in fully intuitive style. So how you can use this book. First, you will find a template to get to know your handpan and its tuning. So here you can record all important details you have to know about your instrument. The next is a vision board. So you're